Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our C29 Pro smartwatch, and this time we are going to have a demo on one of its main features, that is the push notifications and the Bluetooth call. So this smartwatch has a support for Bluetooth call with a feature for call history, contacts, and phone. Okay, it also supports push notifications. As you can see here, we already received one. For our Bluetooth call, there's a support for contacts, dial pads, and again, call history. So we are going to try that and see whether it works with these popular applications: Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo of the C29 Pro Bluetooth call and push notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Before we check on the support app, again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please support us. Okay, so we have here the C29 Pro, and it's using the HRY Fine application as its support app. Okay, so let's see. Let's set first. Let's double check whether we already activated the push notifications as well as the Bluetooth call, if there's a setting for it. So we have here Find My Watch. Let's see if we are paired. Yes. Message notifications. Okay, so every app here is activated. Then we have the phone book. So no contact yet. Let's add one. Add. Okay, or let's try to import. Then let's pick this one. Confirm. Another one. Let's add. Import. Okay, we'll pick this one. Confirm. Then synchronize. Let's wait. Let's see if we have it here. As you can see, our smartwatch switched to synchronization mode. Dial, contacts. Okay, we have it here. Bluetooth pairing request. Let's pair it. Okay, let's see if there's a settings for Bluetooth call. None. Seems like everything is okay here. Go back. Okay, that's it. Okay, we hope that it will go smoothly. Let's see. Let's go first with our Instagram application. Okay, so let's start with the app notifications for our C29 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so let's open the Instagram application. Let's say hello to our C29 Pro smartwatch. Messenger. Then let's say hello. Hello C29 Pro. Okay, let's send a message. Message sent. And we have it here. Okay, seems like we don't have a logo here, but we do have the message. Stop on view, and we have the name of the sender and the message. Then next, let's have a call. Samsung contacting, ringing, and we have here a missed call. Dismiss. Okay, so it works with the Instagram application, as you can see here. Okay, dismiss view. Let's see, Instagram, you miss an audio call, as you can see. Okay, it works with the Instagram app. That's good so far. Let's have the Telegram. Remember, we already activated all of the apps there in the support app, HRY Find app. Let's try with this one. Hello, C29 Pro. This is our first time to test the feature of the C29 Pro. Okay, so expect there are some errors or issues. Okay, so it works for our Telegram. As you can see here, we don't have a personalized icon or the icon of the app itself, but just a generic icon here. Let's see. Okay, and the good thing is we do have the time here and the name of the sender. Calling, can we receive a missed call? And yes, we can receive a missed call. So it works with Instagram and the Telegram application. Okay, next, let's have the Viber. Most of the smartwatches don't have the support for Viber, or I mean a lot of smartwatches, based on our experience, they don't support the Viber app. Hopefully this one works. C29 Pro. But for popular applications, they usually work. And we have here, all popular smartwatches, the Viber works. Okay, so far the notification works with the C29 Pro for Viber app. And call. Let's see if we can receive a missed call notifications. Yes. Okay, it works. Okay, 3 app out of 5 works. The next, the WhatsApp application. Based on our experience, we did not encounter any issues at all with the WhatsApp application when it comes to smartwatches. It's always supported. Let's see with this one. C29 Pro, message sent, and we have it here. As you can see, it has its own logo for the WhatsApp application. Unlike the Instagram, Telegram, Viber, they don't have, but our WhatsApp application do have its own logo. You see it here? Okay. Then next, calling, and you can also answer it here directly on the smartwatch for WhatsApp or and the call. Okay, it's a very cool feature for the WhatsApp, and of course it's also an unfair advantage for other applications. Then next, Messenger. Hello, C29 Pro. Delivered. Okay, so we receive a message. It is just delayed, and as you can see here, it has its own logo also for Messenger, just like the WhatsApp application. Let's do it again. Hello, C29 Pro. Okay, I did not adjust anything. It is just delayed. Let's see. As you can see here, still haven't received the... Okay, so there's a bit of delay for the Messenger, but the good thing is it works, and it has its own logo. This is similar to the same with the WhatsApp application. Other app though, they don't have any, or they use a generic logo. The next, let's call. We're calling, and we have it here. We do have a missed call. Okay, so it works for our C29 Pro. 5 out of 5, Instagram, Telegram, Viber, WhatsApp, and Messenger. The WhatsApp and Messenger has its own application logo. Okay, next. Let's have the SMS. Let's send a message. Hello. Hello, C29 Pro. And text. Text sent or SMS sent. And we have it here. So different logo also for the text message, as you can see here. Okay. Okay, so far so good, and it works with the smart notifications for our C29 Pro smartwatch. Our next demo is for the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, so let's call the number. Let's see if this thing works. Dialing. And we have it here. As you can see, we have the name of the caller. Incoming calls, you have an option to end the call or deny the call or answer the call. End. Okay. So it works for our Bluetooth phone call. Next, let's see about the dial pad. Contacts. Phone. Okay, let's call the number 0969615839. Just call the number. Okay, so see, this seems like there's an issue with the number again. 0969615839. Let's call the number. Okay, calling. Okay, as you can see here, it works, but seems like the phone is busy, as you can see here. Okay, or maybe we dialed the wrong number. How about this one? 1091980929094. How about this one? Okay, hopefully we can receive a call here. It's calling. Seems like the network is busy. Unattended. Okay, let's use the call log here again. Now it is working now. Okay, as you can see here, it works for our dial pad. Next, let's use the contacts. Tap again, it's calling, and it works also. Okay, next, let's have a demo. Let's answer a call. Going to call the number. Let's see if we can receive it here. Okay, someone's calling. Let's answer the call. Hello? Hello? The Bluetooth call works? Hello? Okay. Okay, as you can see, the Bluetooth call works. The mic is, or the speaker is not that loud, but so far it works with our C29 Pro smartwatch. The push notification works, including SMS and app notifications, and of course the Bluetooth call works with its features, the call history, contacts, and phone. Everything works with our C29 Pro and the HRY Find app on the Android smartphone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo, the Bluetooth call demo, and smart notification demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.